The overall goal of this procedure is to apply video game sensor technology towards a low-cost human-machine interface for balance rehabilitation. This is accomplished by first setting up mobile brain-body imaging, or MOBI equipment and software. The second step is to place MOBI sensors on the body to capture physiological data. Next, an eye tracker is used to evaluate post-stroke visual pursuit eye movements. Eye tracking will show that gaze-related indices can help in delineating post-stroke oculomotor deficits, which may be relevant for planning visuomotor balance therapy. Then, sensors for neuromuscular electrical stimulation, or NMES-assisted visuomotor balance therapy under MOBI, are calibrated. The final step is to collect multi-sensor data from low-cost sensors during visuomotor balance therapy.
We are extending this technology for home-based rehabilitation for stroke patients who suffer from balance disorders.
Our developed system includes gaze-based prognostic tool and one's gaze pattern as an important ingredient in visuomotor balance therapy.
So this paradigm-shifting technology captures how visual system, the motor system, and the balance systems works together after stroke and tries to rehabilitate them through retraining. So in principle, this technique can be used in other conditions like autism spectrum disorder, Parkinsonism, traumatic brain injury, and also psychomotor disturbance during depression. All can be rehabilitated through this training system.
Begin by obtaining a projection screen to display the visual biofeedback.